That was a day, huh? Good shit. We caught the bottom. Here's the NAMO. Now, as you can see, once the NAMO hits 30 to 40, we usually top out. And usually when we hit 30 to 40, we have bottomed out. And yes, there's exceptions, but I don't think we're just gonna die here right now, okay? Several important things. We were told today that the Trump put is here and that there's another Trump put right there. This means that once and if the market hits that low, powers that be will intervene. Isn't that funny? They literally told us that. So 10-year yield coming down to the mother of all trend lines. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to artificially suppress these rates because inflation ain't doing it. Barkin said today he expects a good PCE reading for what it's worth. Again here, we were pretty quick with this, in my opinion. That's why we called the low. We're pretty quick to identify these two double top candles on the VIX over 20 on the hourly right there, and also on the daily. Like if you turn the chart upside down, this is the most bullish candle you can find. This is a hammer candle. And it can be bullish if it's upside down, if it's at a bottom, right? If it's a hammer candle at a bottom. When you get a hammer candle on top that looks like that, that means you're going back down. Daily Stow kind of confirms it right here, okay? And when you go to SPX, whoa, that's looking funky. I did not move it like that. What happened here? I don't know. Something. Anyways, same thing here. I mean, look. This is obviously when you hit a bottom, you might just not spike out of there. But look, there's the low starting to bounce. Here you see there's a low, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low. There's a low. Even there is a low. Am I expecting something like this? No, but definitely something like this. So, pretty cool because we're sitting in a bunch of calls still. So let's go over to SPY here very quick and just check what we did today. Grabbed 591 0 DTs, sold them here. Why? Because this is a juice candle. Now, yeah, I could have held, but I sold my 594s here. This is meta. Same chart, same shit. Anyways, caught the 591s, sold them here, sold the 594s here and here. What I'm swinging now, just want to illustrate this. Because I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, obviously, but we pierced the Bollinger, fell out of the sky, came to the gap. As you can see, there's a gap from January 14th to 15th, right? We defended this gap. Now tomorrow, if it's a bearish day, we have an early low. I would expect this to be filled. Tomorrow would be the perfect day because you see this trend line comes in right there. What trend line is that, Grandpa? Touches Bank of Japan. Goes to ding 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 ding. The October 2023 low. There's no fucking way we just go through that tomorrow. Perfect bounce spot, in my opinion. For how long? I don't know. Maybe it's just up to here and comes down, fills the gap. But the fact that we got the October 2023 trend line coming in here, this is huge. Huge. Okay, another thing I pointed out today. Look, here's the 89, right? We dropped under it once, twice, since end of 2023. Yeah, this is the fucking spot. You start longing swings. So, just to illustrate what I'm in still. Okay? Just want to point it out. I'm in 591s for Friday. I'm in 591s for March 13th. And I'm in 591s for like March 10th. Right? I want to build a base here, which I don't have to worry about. Okay, so I'm probably gonna leave most of that if it's still bullish action tomorrow, and just play it upside. And how will I do it? I'm gonna be buying in the money. It's way fucking less stressful than playing out of the money. Do I like doing that with the VIX where it is? No, but you have to just like understand you're gonna have to pay more than if the VIX is at freaking 14 or 15. Do you understand? So that just comes with the game. The VIX is up here. Do we want it to crash? Yes. It's gonna make premiums cheaper as we go up, which totally sucks. But it's the name of the game. So, I'm gonna try to carry a base. And again, guys, it's pretty clear that we're playing ping pong with these FOMC levels that you should have marked. This one, yesterday we played, and the day before that with this one, and this whole move down started off of that one. Okay, right there. Broke through. So, do I expect us to go all the way back up here this week? No. But it certainly is possible. And even if it's just a 601 by Friday, that would put me $10 in the money for this week, the week after that, and the week after that. So you gotta get out of this like what's happening right now and kind of grasp a bigger thing here. I mean, it's not like you're risking your ass if you're being smart about it, okay? With some swings, especially now that we've identified down, up, down, up, down, big up, down, up, down, up, down, big up, down, up, down, up, down, big up. Okay, so essentially this is what you're now playing. See here again, down, up, down, up, down, big up. Down, up, down, up, down, big up. Down, up, down, up, down, big up. Okay, currently that's the fucking algo. It's not the Biden algo, it's the Trump algo. That's what we gotta play. Okay? Am I a little pissed about selling Meta, I think, here somewhere and not grabbing it? Yeah, because I was too busy with SPY. But again, Meta hit the daily 50. Could be a reversal candle. This whole thing coming down here doesn't look good. Nvidia, am I gonna play some? Yes. Am I sitting in 54s on this guy? Yes. Am I gonna sell it tomorrow? Probably not. I'm gonna fucking try to get it back up to here with Nvidia, you know, and go on that. Did this fill the gap today? Yes. Am I gonna play this into the rebalancing? Yes. Home Depot, I couldn't feel the flush today. That was the move. But like BABA, this sometimes moves because it's a Dow Jones thing, and it takes some time for the contracts to open, so it's unflushable. This, however, flushable tomorrow, and probably will. Kathy Woods bought more, not Verizon, but bought this today. I think this is a great name, obviously, too. Not playing Avgo, MSTR. You know, when the president's son are out there telling me and everyone else to buy Bitcoin, not about it. Microsoft new, Tesla soon. And when I say that we're buying 6 months out on this soon, I mean we're buying 6 months out. Literally. I mean, imagine what In the Money puts 2 months out would have paid on this thing. It can do this again, and most likely will. Okay, so just putting it out there that soon, probably once we hit this gap here, see that gap? I don't think it fills this gap, but certainly will this gap or bounce off of it. I'm gonna get in some summer, end of August, something like that, because the market dips in September, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Apple investing 500 billion, great, good shit. Am I gonna buy it? No. Is it hard to read this market with Nvidia, Apple, and JPM doing the different shit all the time? Yes, absolutely. But it is what it is, right? So we gotta. That's why I played SPY today. At least it was moving. Still waiting on drill, baby drill. Ha ha ha. Dollar coming down soon. Hopefully they absolutely crush it. 9 crossing the 50 on the daily, and that's something you want to watch out here on. Come on, it's something you want to keep a close eye on. Is this here? See this 50 starting to curl down? If that 50 crosses the 89 and that 9 crosses the 21, it is really fucking bad for the overall structure of the market. Therefore, we need to get going higher here, like tomorrow. Okay? With that said, guys, I had a good day. Tomorrow we got early low, so it's going to be a different pattern. If it's strong, expect high in the final hour. If it's weak, expect us to possibly just drill into that gap. Okay, guys? And I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.
Space Shuttle Atlantis. Mission until resupply and research. International Space Station. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey ashore on the International Space Station. Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude, almost 6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling 500 miles an hour.